Adidas will pay you $7,000 every single month to work from home. And the best part is that it's absolutely free. You can do it from anywhere and you don't even have to show your face. Before I show you, save this video for later. Let me show you how. First, go to Google and search for Adidas affiliate program. And then once you get to this page, go ahead and sign up here for free. Now, once you are approved, you are going to search for product to promote. Don't forget, the more expensive a product, the more money you make. So you found your product, go ahead and grab your affiliate link. Next, head over to Pinterest, click over here and create a pin. Then next, we are going to create a brief description for that product. Make sure you add a title, a picture, and a brief description for that product. And the most important thing is, this is where you are going to add your Adidas affiliate link, because that's how you are going to get paid. Now go ahead and click publish. Every time somebody visits your pin and purchases, you are going to make a commission. This is called affiliate marketing. If you want to see how ordinary people like me trying to reach financial freedom, follow me for more making money tips. Let's go.